Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
The intermediate value theorem is probably one of the most common mathematical logical arguments you would make in everyday life. To get a sense of what it says, let's think of any continuous function. Let's think of velocity over time, like you're driving a car. Your velocity might increase from where we begin at 0 miles per hour up to 60 miles per hour. And the question is, were you ever traveling 20 miles per hour? Well, of course you were. Right here you are, because you had to, if you went from 0 to 60, you had to have crossed 20. And similarly, were you ever going 40 miles per hour? Of course, you can't just jump over 40 miles per hour. You had to have sped up through that point. For the IVT, what is required is we need to make sure that our function is continuous on an interval from a to b. We can illustrate that by adding an a and a b in here to our diagram above. We'll say f of a is at the beginning and f of b is at the end up here. Then the IVT states that if c is any y value between f of a and f of b, or in our case 0 miles per hour and 60 miles per hour, like we used 20 or 40 above, then there has to exist some x, or some time, in between a and b such that f of x is equal to that c value.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.